Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. We continue our exciting Europe road trip through beautiful Slovenia. We plan to visit some of the most interesting places in Kranjska Gora. Last night, we had heavy rain and even thunder. In the morning, a light drizzle was still falling, so we decided to take it easy and drive to Villach, Austria, which is only about 25 minutes away. The drive from Kranjska Gora to Villach is very scenic. You pass through green valleys, small alpine villages, and winding mountain roads. The landscape here feels calm and refreshing, with mist slowly rising from the forests after the rain. Villach is a charming Austrian town, famous for its relaxed atmosphere, spas, and beautiful architecture. It's located on the banks of the Drava River and surrounded by the Carinthian Alps. We decided to visit the Atrio shopping center, one of the most popular malls in the region. It's modern, bright, and full of cozy cafes, a perfect place to spend a rainy morning. After a short walk and some shopping, we also stopped at Neukopf Villach, a smaller shopping spot nearby where you can find local products and souvenirs. Around noon, the weather started to improve. The clouds began to clear, and the sun slowly returned. So, we decided to drive back to Kranjska Gora to continue our active day outdoors. Once back in Kranjska Gora, we decided to hike up the nearby hill to Bedančev Dom. It's a cozy mountain hut located just above the town, offering a great view of the valley. The trail isn't too difficult, about 30 to 40 minutes on foot. And along the way, you pass through quiet forest paths and meadows filled with alpine flowers. At the top, Bedančev Dom welcomes hikers with traditional Slovenian food and drinks, homemade soups, sausages, and herbal tea. From here, you can see the peaks of the Julian Alps and even spot LiQWYD shining in the distance. It's the perfect place for a short break and a breath of mountain air. After returning from our walk, we headed back to our hotel for some well-deserved rest, and we decided to spend the rest of the day relaxing, enjoying the indoor pool and jacuzzi at the hotel's wellness area. It was the perfect way to end an active day. Warm water, quiet atmosphere, and a view of the mountains through the windows. The next day, we continued our journey along the picturesque road to the Russian chapel. The road itself is picturesque. It winds through the forest, and along the way you will meet tourists and cyclists. The Russian chapel, officially known as the Russian Chapel on the Vršić Pass, is one of the most touching monuments in Slovenia. It was built by Russian prisoners of war during World War I to honor those who lost their lives while building the mountain road over the pass. The chapel is small but beautiful, made of wood, surrounded by tall pine trees, and it carries a peaceful, almost spiritual atmosphere. It's a place for reflection and gratitude. Visitors often stop here for a few minutes to take photos, read about its history, or just enjoy the quiet sound of the mountains. From there, we decided to walk to one of the local viewpoints near the town. The viewpoint Kranjska Gora offers a panoramic scene of the valley, with the town nestled between dramatic peaks. It's an easy walk, and the higher you climb, the better the view becomes. On a clear day, you can see the roads leading to Italy and Austria, and even the reflection of the clouds in LiQWYD far below. It's a great spot for photography or simply to sit quietly and watch the world from above. Next, we continued our walk toward one of the most famous natural sites near Kranjska Gora, Zelenci Lake. The trail from the town to the lake is about 5 kilometers and goes through meadows and pine forests. Along the way, you can hear birds singing, and sometimes even see cows quietly grazing in the distance. Zelenci is a small natural lake, but what makes it so special is its emerald green color. The water looks almost unreal. It's the source of the Sava Dolinka River, and the name Zelenci actually means the green one in Slovenian. The lake is surrounded by wooden paths and small bridges, making it easy to walk around and explore. There's also a wooden observation platform where you can see the crystal clear water bubbling up from underground springs. It's one of the most peaceful places in Slovenia. No noise, no crowds, just nature at its best. This area is protected as a nature reserve, so swimming or boating is not allowed, but it's perfect for relaxation and photography. Zelenci Lake is often used as a filming location for travel documentaries because of its vivid color and postcard-like scenery. Even in winter, when everything around is covered in snow, the lake never freezes completely because of its constant underground springs. After spending some time here, we slowly made our way back toward Kranjska Gora. And that's how we finished our day, exploring the area around Kranjska Gora. From mountain hikes and historical landmarks to emerald lakes, this region has everything for those who love nature and adventure. Tomorrow, we'll continue our Europe road trip with new trails, new discoveries, and new unforgettable views of Slovenia. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe, leave a like, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss our next travel episode. Bye for now.